Hello friends, welcome to Agriva YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to conduct the Agricultural Economics mock test number 1 on Objective of Agriculture by Sir Kantwa book. This mock test is important for all the types of agricultural competitive exams. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Question number 1. In principle of increasing risks, the non-equity capital use will be. The options are at increasing rate, at decreasing rate, at constant rate, none of the above. The correct answer is option number 1, at increasing rate. So in principle of increasing risks, the non-equity capital use will be at increasing rate. Then next question. Choose the best measure to find worthiness of investment. The options are payback period, BC ratio, that means benefit to cross ratio, NPV, that means net present value, and IRR, means internal rate of return. The correct answer is option number 4. So the best measure to find worthiness of investment is internal rate of return, that means IRR. Then next question. Least cost principle is used in. The options are what to produce, how much to produce, how to produce, and when to produce. The correct answer is option number 3. So the least cost principle is used in how to produce. Then next question. Demand for agricultural products is relatively. The options are less elastic, more elastic, more inelastic, and less inelastic. The correct answer is option number 3. So the demand for agricultural products is relatively more inelastic. Then next question. When total product remain constant, the marginal product will be. The options are 0, negative, positive, constant. The correct answer is option number 1. So when total product remain constant, the marginal product will be 0. Then next question. When average product less than marginal product, average product is. The options are remain constant, at maximum, increasing, and decreasing. The correct answer is option number 3, increasing. So when average product less than marginal product, average product is increasing. Then next question. A production function with unitary elasticity indicates. The options are increasing return, decreasing return, nothing, and constant return. So the correct answer is option number 4. So a production function with unitary elasticity indicates constant return. Then next question. In the rational region of production function, choice of indicator is. The options are factor price ratio, factor product prices, product price ratio, factor product quantity. The correct answer is option number 2. So in the rational region of production function, choice of indicator is factor product prices. Then next question. The relationship between TP, that means total product, and TC, that means total cost, is. The options are directly proportional, no relationship, inversely related, and none of the above. The correct answer is option number 3. So the relationship between total product and total cost is inversely related. Then next question. When MC, that means marginal cost, is at lowest, MP, that means marginal product, will be. The options are decreasing, increasing, maximum, and minimum. So when marginal cost is at lowest, marginal product will be maximum. That means the correct answer is option number 3rd. Then next question, in rational zone the options are marginal cost is equal to average cost, marginal cost greater than average cost, marginal cost less than average cost, and fourth option none of the above. The correct answer is option number 2nd. So in rational zone marginal cost will be greater than average cost. Then next question, if px1 x1 is greater than px2 x2, then the options are x1 should be replaced by x2, x2 should be replaced by x1, use same quantity, and fourth option none of the above. The correct answer is option number 1st. That means if px1 x1 is greater than px2 x2, then x1 should be replaced by x2. Then next question, on the ridge lines MPP, that means marginal physical product of input, will be, the options are constant, positive, negative, and 0. The correct answer is option number 4th. So on the ridge lines marginal physical product of input will be 0. Then next question, if MRS, that means marginal rate of substitution between two products, is negative, then two goods are, the options are substituting, complementing, supplementing, and no relationship. The correct answer is option number 1st. So if MRS, that means marginal rate of substitution between two products, is negative, then two goods are substituting. Then next question, in case of diminishing rate of substitution the curve will be, the options are convex to origin, straight line, concave to origin, and vertical or horizontal. The correct answer is option number 1st. So in case of diminishing rate of substitution the curve will be convex to origin. Then next, thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.